Natatawa ko.
Talaga siya in-expect. Sabi ko nga, Hunter, this ba yung peg ko? Pero, kasi, I can sing. I think I can. And, meron naman voice lessons kasi. Kaya, sinuggest ko yun. Para naman, pag gumawa ng album, people can really say na, wow, she can sing. And talagang feeling nila, hindi kasi yung parang niloloko ko lang. But I'm actually serious about it. So, meron mga like love songs and then meron din mga dance French songs kasi I really love the dance.
So everything is original? Everything is original?
Parang, ang tawag doon, pag yung may song na before,
Revival?
Yes, yeah, parang gano'n. And then I also have, I think, 2 original songs. So we're working on it.
You mentioned yung pagiging comedic mo and then yung si Ann Curtis, which is ganun nga yung style niya. So hindi ready ka ba na ma-compare?
Yes, I guess. But, I mean, kasi ako,
Same talent management kayo, diba?
yeah. But, ano naman we're different. So, kung i-compare mo na ako kay Ann Curtis, I'll take that as a compliment. Kasi, I mean, Ann is, she's good. And I adore her for yung guts niya, yung confidence niya, na she believes in herself. And I love that. Like, I mean, I don't think other people can do that, diba? Na parang mag-concert ka, tapos kumanta ka and all that. Like, okay siya. Ako naman, I'll try my best. So, bahala.
Ano yung contract na pinapag sa TV5? Exclusive contract pa siya?
Oh, V5?
Under Viva.
Viva siya.
Yeah, I'm under Viva. So, wala pa kaming, I haven't signed any contract with the network. So, as of right now, freelance pa ako.
So parang you're signed lang for the show?
Yes, for the show.
May restrictions ka ba for the show? Like, ano yung mga bawal?
Well, bawal, I don't know. Basta wag lang anything na parang masyadong paset. I mean, yeah, medyo sexy yung gusto ko. But like, yung other than that.
Pero you're doing that naman sa mga videos.
Yeah, but
Parang wala.
wala akong maisip as right now.
Pero wait, based ka na dito ngayon? Hindi ka na babalik sa...
Yeah, I'm based here now. I'm gonna be staying for good. Yeah.
Can you just take us back to kung paano ka nag-start? Kailan ka nag-start mo yung YouTube account mo as Dahil Black?
And why did you
Kasi,
upload it in videos?
dito pa lang sa Philippines, I was making videos already. But it was just for my friends and family. And they were the ones who forced me to upload it on YouTube. Kasi ako, ayoko talaga. So, obviously, I didn't plan on becoming a YouTube star. So, finally, when I was in Vegas, wala na akong makausap. I was so bored. I started making a video nga. Parang naisip ko yung Petra Mahlimuyak, yung name niya kasi it's unique, maalala ng tao, very Filipino. And, yun nga, pinakita ko lang yung mga kaya kong gawin, yung personalities, acting, dancing, mostly a little bit, I guess, or basta lahat pinakita ko. And then I didn't expect that people would actually watch my videos and marami ako naging followers and of course haters. But ako kasi, I don't, well not naman I don't care, but hindi ako nagpapa-apekto sa mga negative comments eh. Kasi I know na I can do it, like I believe in myself and I really want to be an actress. So kahit gano'n pa kahirap yun, I'll do it. Parang
What are the usual negative comments you get?
like yung parang, sino ba tong pa-cool, ano parang trying hard, or, Filipino accent na naman, or parang wannabe, you know, all those negative comments, iba-iba yan eh. But ako kasi, wala naman akong ginagawang masama, wala naman akong sinasaktan na tao, and I'm just having fun, so I don't see anything wrong with that. And yun nga, I just want to entertain people and that's just who I am. I want to make people laugh and to make them happy through my videos. And naging naman siya, effective. Kasi I do receive messages na I inspire them and like when they're having a bad day, they just watch my videos, naging okay na sila. And that makes me feel good kasi I know na I have accomplished something.
Paano nangyari na pumasok ka sa Viva? Sila ba yung kumontak sa'yo?
They contacted me, yes. I made a video, a parody actually, of No Other Woman.
Oo nga.
And dun nila ako na-discover. Yun yung sabi nila. So they messaged me, it was Sir Eric about it. And at first I thought it was a scam. So nag-research
During that
pa
time,
ako.
you were in
I was
Vegas
in
pa.
Vegas pa. And then, yun nga, nag-message sila, tapos nag-Skype kami and all that. And I already signed the contract when I was still in Vegas. But naging official na lang when I came back here sa Philippines, which was March something.
This year.
Yeah, this year.
Paano yung sa ano mo? Paano yung career plan mo? Kasi since hindi ka ba takot na ma-typecast ka as ganyang image or
Well,
someday ba magre-reinvent ka to a serious
well,
actress?
well, like I said, being a comedian wasn't, hindi ko talaga in-expect na maging comedian ako. And people would think na parang, wala, comedian. But I want people to take me seriously kasi gusto ko na mag-drama eh. But syempre, as of right now, hindi ko kayang gawin yun. Kasi talagang kulanan na ako as Petra eh. If people call me Petra, even my friends, they call me Petra. And I think naman, slowly magiging, mapupunta ako dun sa gusto ko mangyari. But,
Pag nangyari yun, are you going to change your name din ba? Kasi syempre di ba, Petra ang Mahlimuya, comedy na agad yung...
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna change my name. My name is Ashley Rivera. And some people know that one. So, once I become a actress talaga, then I'm gonna keep my name, which is Ashley Rivera.
JHAI